You've been grinding in the gym for months, maybe years. You also maintain a high-protein diet. But when you look in the mirror and see no big change, you start to blame your genetics. But here's the truth. If you're stuck in the same state month after month, there's a pretty high chance you're making at least one of the 6 mistakes that we're going to discuss in this video. Mistakes that are killing your gains, and you don't even know it. So today, NPTI Florida will be breaking down the most common training mistakes that are sabotaging your gains. Because once you understand what actually drives muscle growth, your progress skyrockets. Mistake number 1, thinking pump is equal to growth. If you've ever left the gym with a crazy pump and thought you built your chest today, I hate to break it to you, but the pump doesn't mean much. That's just blood rushing into your muscles, and it's not even the reason muscles grow. The pump is like revving your engine at a red light. It sounds cool, but you're not actually going anywhere. Real muscle growth comes from mechanical tension, the force your muscles produce under load, especially when you push close to failure. And if this was shocking, wait till you hear mistake number 6, because over 90% of beginners are making the 6th mistake. Mistake number 2, chasing soreness and exhaustion. A lot of people think if they're not limping out of the gym, they didn't train hard enough. But soreness is just tissue damage. It means your muscles aren't used to what you did. You can grow muscle with 0 soreness, and you can be sore as hell without growing at all. And feeling completely wiped out after a workout? That's not a sign you built muscle. That's a sign you drained your gas tank. Your muscles don't grow because you're tired. They grow because you gave them a reason to adapt, and that reason is tension. Mistake number 3, not training close enough to failure. Here's where most people lose the game. They stop their sets way too early. If you're leaving 4, 5, or even 6 reps in the tank, you're not giving your body a strong enough reason to grow. When you train close to failure, that's when your body recruits the muscle fibers that actually have the most potential to grow. If you stop too soon, those fibers never even wake up. Mistake number 4, going way too high on reps. Now, some people think more reps equals more work, and more work equals more growth. But here's the problem. When you're doing super high reps, anything over about 15, you're fighting fatigue more than you're fighting the weight. For natural lifters, the sweet spot is usually between 5 and 12 reps. That's where you can load the muscle with enough weight to create real tension. Mistake number 5, constantly switching programs. Here's another beginner trap. People try a program for 2 weeks, don't see results, and then jump to a new one. They switch exercises every session because they saw some influencer doing a cool variation. Your body needs time to adapt. If you're always changing things up, you never build the skill or strength to actually load those movements properly. Consistency beats variety every time, so stick to the same routine for 4 to 8 weeks. And finally, mistake number 6, copying routines from enhanced bodybuilders. If you're a natural lifter following a program designed for someone on gear, you're setting yourself up to burn out. Enhanced athletes recover faster. They can handle way more volume, but you can't. You've got to train hard, yes, but you've also got to manage fatigue. That means lower volume, higher quality, and making every set count. You can't just copy and paste someone else's routine and expect it to work for you. The bottom line, your muscles don't grow from pumps, soreness, or exhaustion. They grow from tension, consistent, progressive tension applied close to failure, with smart exercise selection and proper recovery. So, if you want to actually build muscle as a natural lifter, here's what you need. Train most sets within 1 to 2 reps of failure. Track every workout, stick with your core exercises long enough to get strong at them, and rest enough between sets. This isn't about working harder. It's about working right. Once you stop making these mistakes, you're going to be shocked at how fast things start moving.